Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to Bates Bypass. And the lock you see in front of you is an Eagle lock stamped US, which was predominantly government or military use. It's a solid brass padlock with a pretty tight little keyway. I do not have the keys for this, but it is a 5-pin lock, and it does contain security pins, believe it or not. So without further ado, let's try to pick this lock open. A little history lesson for the Eagle Lock Company. They went out of business in the mid-70s, and they were around for a pretty long time. Alright, I'm gonna use top of the keyway with SP13 for multi-pick and a V06 for multi-pick. And I can tell you without a doubt that picking these guys in hand is a little tricky, especially with the light tension you have to use. But let's try to get this guy open. Alright, a little click out of 2. Going down the stack. Alright, not feeling really a whole lot in here. Two, 3. Alrighty, I'm gonna reset this guy. Try going in there one more time. Alrighty. We just got into a false set. And hopefully we can overcome it. It feels like it's pin 4. We're getting counter rotation. Alright, I'm going to reset this one more time. and try it again. Alright, we are in a false set once again. Oof. Alright, we're back in a false set. There's still hope. Alright. And we got it open at the 6-minute mark. As you can see, the core barely rotates. But we did get it open. Awesome. That was a relief. These guys are really tricky with those spools. Alright guys, thank you for watching. Please do like if you enjoyed this video. And please subscribe if you haven't already, because there will be future content, I promise. And yeah, tell your friends to check me out. And as always, you guys enjoy the rest of your evening. Thank you.